Welcome back to another video by 12th Estate. In this video, we will be discussing about the subject Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 11th. Chapter number 1, Introduction of Commerce and Business, Business Objectives on page number 6. So, let us begin. Business objective. All business objectives are guided by objectives. They are also further classified into economic objective and social objectives. Now, these business objectives, they are of two types. Business objectives two types के होते हैं. The first one is economic and the second one is of the social objective. Now let us see with the economic objective. Economic objective is earning profit, searching new customers, innovation and best possible use of resources. Earning profit. Profit is required for survival of business and for its growth. Profit means money. Earning profit is to earn money. So money is important. Earning money is important for the company to survive also and for the company to grow also. So पैसा एक important ऐसी चीज़ है for the companies जिसमें company will survive और company grow भी हो जाएगी. The second is searching new customers. Business organization have to work hard to create new customers and also to maintain the existing customers. So, any companies or any organization, they have to work hard so that वो लोग के पास न्यू कस्टमर्स अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. सो दे हैव टू वर्क हार्ड इन ऑर्डर टू अट्रैक्ट न्यू कस्टमर्स एंड न्यू क्लाइंट्स. एंड ऑल्सो जो वो लोग के एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स है, दे हैव टू मेंटेन गुड रिलेशन विद द एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स एंड देन try to attract new customers as well. The next point is innovation. It is a development or a positive change which result into improvement in product or process of production. It has to spend money on research and development, market survey, use of technology, etc. So innovation मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट में न्यू आइडियाज़ न्यू वो प्रोडक्ट को और भी ज़्यादा इम्प्लीमेंट करना ताकि इट विल बी वेरी अट्रैक्टिव. So for example, we can take the example of a mobile phones. That is, you can say Apple का phone या फिर Samsung का phone or else a simple Vivo phone. So now all the developers and all the mobile operations are bringing innovation. They are bringing change in the phone. पहले 3G था, फिर 4G and now they are introducing 5G to the mobile phones. Also first if we see there was only one camera, so now triple cameras, 4 cameras are also there. GB का भी difference है, 28GB, 64GB. So this is called as innovation, to bring new and new changes to that product ताकि it will attract more and more customers. So they have to spend money, that is they have to spend finance on this research and development, and according to the latest technologies they will go. And the last one is best possible use of resources. Resources are scarce and have alternative uses. They should be used to maximum and should avoid wastage. Optimum use of resources ultimately leads to increasing profit. So whenever a product is being made, ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि we should make maximum, और जो कुछ भी wastage होगा वो minimum होना चाहिए. Because अगर wastage will be more, then it will be a loss to that company or to that product. So optimum utilization of resources is necessary ताकि जो प्रोडक्शन है that will be more और जो wastages है वो कम होती जाएगी. Then we have the second objective, that is the social objective. In social objective we have supplying quality product. Every business has to provide quality services to its customers. So every companies, every business जो service provide करेगी उनके कस्टमर्स को, उनके क्लाइंट्स को, तो वो एकदम अच्छी रहनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी ऑफ अ गुड एंड ऑफ अ फर्स्ट क्लास क्वालिटी. Quality means a combination of purity, safety, durability, utility, etc. So quality क्या है? Quality of a product should be like, it should be purity, safety होना चाहिए, long use होना चाहिए, that is it should be durable, और उसका जो utility है it should be very good. So in supplying quality product we can take the example of a Samsung phone. सो सैमसंग के जो ऑपरेटर्स है, सैमसंग के जो कंपनीज़ है, वो लोग को ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि हाउ विल वी अट्रैक्ट न्यू कस्टमर्स, और वो लोग का जो क्वालिटी है, वो लोग का जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ सर्विसेज है, हाउ दे विल इम्प्रूव, ताकि उनके जो कस्टमर्स है वो सेटिस्फाइड हो जाएंगे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज अवॉइडिंग अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस. Unfair trade practices like black marketing, misleading advertisements, wrong measurements, etc. should be avoided. It is important for survival and growth of a business unit. So avoiding unfair trade practices मतलब जो कुछ भी wrong काम है, that is black marketing करना. Black marketing मतलब to sell the product at a higher cost, या फिर misleading advertisement, wrong advertisement देना. प्रोडक्ट अगर ये प्राइस में, सपोज इफ द सैमसंग फोन इज ऑफ 12,000 एंड यू आर सेलिंग इट फॉर 18,000, सो दिस इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. सो ये जो अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस हो रहा है, इट शुड बी स्टॉप्ड इन एनी बिजनेस एंड इन एनी कंपनी. ऑल्सो अगर कौन सी भी कंपनीज में अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिसेस इफ दे आर नॉट कैरिंग, देन दैट कंपनी विल रीच टू अ वेरी हाई पोजिशन. Then we have the C point, that is employment generation. Business is a socio-economic institution. Employment and business creates job and skill for unskilled people. It should provide employment opportunities to economically backward and divyang people. So employment generation मतलब अगर एक कंपनी है, suppose if there is a Microsoft company, so in that Microsoft company there are lakhs of people working. So we can say that Microsoft company is providing employment, is providing money, because the employees work and at the end they get salary. So we can say that that company is providing employment to a lakh of number of people. So any company, any organization, अगर छोटा कंपनी है, अगर बड़ा कंपनी है, तो भी people are working, आदमी लोग जाते हैं, काम करते हैं. So they are employed because they get money at the end, they get the salary. So we can say that they are benefit at the end of the month. Also economically backward people जो है, if they are also working in some small or little big companies, also they get employment. The D1 is welfare of employees. Skilled and unskilled workers are part of the society. तो सोसाइटी में भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द स्किल, जिसको ज़्यादा नॉलेज होता है, एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द अनस्किल, जिसको कम नॉलेज या फिर कोई भी नॉलेज नहीं होता है. सो इफ़ एम्प्लॉयज़ आर प्रॉपरली टेकन केयर ऑफ, इट ब्रिंग्स टू वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी. This can be achieved by providing fair and regular remuneration, good working condition, impartial personal policies, offering incentives, etc. सो अगर अनस्किल्ड पीपल को अगर हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, अगर हम लोग वो लोग को बताते हैं कि आपको ऐसा ऐसा काम करना है, तो इवन दे विल गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट, एंड ऑल्सो इवन दे विल बी एबल टू गेट अ सर्टन या फिर फ्यू मनी, दे विल बी एबल टू गेट डेली वेजेस, या फिर थोड़ा पैसा वो लोग को भी मिलेगा. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वेलफेयर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़. दैट इज दे शुड गेट वेजेस, दे शुड गेट फेयर रेम्यूनरेशन, थोड़े बहुत इंसेंटिव्स, ताकि even their daily earnings will go on. The E is helps to solve social problems. Due to rapid industrialization, many social problems arise like traffic jams, growth of slums, air and water pollution, etc. Business should be aware of this and should try to reduce them. So there are various social problems, जैसे कि वाटर पोल्यूशन, एयर पोल्यूशन हो जाता है, नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. इफ़ in a busy street or if in an area there are big factories, so there is a chance of traffic jams. Slums, the growth of slums like jhoppadpatti. So if this social problem is taken into consideration by the business, then it can help to solve the problem. So for example, if there is any factory which is near to a lake or which is near to the sea, then it can cause water pollution, because जो कुछ भी वेस्ट है फैक्ट्री के वो it will let out and it will go directly in the water, which will create water pollution. So it is the duty of that business or that company and organization to see to it कि ये जो problems है ये लोग ये प्रॉब्लम्स को स्टॉप करने का, या फिर एटलीस्ट ट्राई टू रिड्यूस ऑल ऑफ दीज सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स विच कैन कॉज डैमेज टू द वर्ल्ड एंड विच कैन कॉज डैमेज टू द एनवायरमेंट. Then the last one is the F1, contributing to the welfare of the society. Business houses should take care of the general welfare of the society, for they should give donation for a good cause, offering scholarship for higher educations, etc. So contributing welfare to the society मतलब if it is a big company या फिर अगर एक big organization है तो वो लोग उनकी profit का एक थोड़ा सा हिस्सा कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकती है, डोनेट कर सकती है जो लोग गरीब है उसके लिए, एजुकेशन फॉर द पुअर पीपल, या फिर डोनेशन टू द ओल्ड एज पीपल. सो ऐसी गुड कॉज के लिए दे कैन डोनेट समथिंग. ऑल्सो दे कैन डोनेट टू द ऑर्फनेज, जो वुमेन्स है वो लोग को डोनेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टू मेक अस द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. So this is it with the business objectives, that is of the two type. First one is the economic and the second one is the social objectives. Stay tuned for our next video on organization of commerce and management, standard 11. If you want a specific topic to be covered, do mention in the comment box. We will do it for you. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel 12th Istik. Until then, bye-bye. Thank you.